A new software update is rolling out for Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. This is a monthly security patch update. Coming to the size, it's around 260 MB. Currently, we are at almost the end of June month and the update has arrived little early. Let's update this mobile in this video and check if any issues I noticed after this update. And by the way guys, this is a build number update, meaning based on your device build number you will get this update. I downloaded this update and now I'm going to install this. Right now many users are noticing the green line issues in some of the Samsung mobiles. Previously I uploaded a video related to free screen replacement for Samsung mobiles that are affected with green lines. Even now also I'm getting a lot of comments related to this. But if you look at the Samsung S20 and S21 FE series, thankfully there are very less cases. Samsung has already started providing a free display replacement for the affected devices, but there are terms and conditions for that. I don't know whether this offer is live or expired. Check your nearby Samsung for more details, or else you directly call to the customer care number to know more about it. This update took between 10 to 15 minutes to complete. During the update, you cannot do anything apart from waiting. If you do something while updating the mobile, there are high chances of crashing it, which leads to stuck in boot load. I mean, you see only the Samsung logo and again the mobile is going to be turned off. This mobile already received all its major Android updates and only you will get the security patch updates now. Right now I'm so happy that Samsung is releasing these monthly security patch updates on time without skipping any single month. Kudos to Samsung. Alright, I updated my mobile and I'm going to use it for some time to check. It's been more than a few minutes since I started using this mobile after the update. I didn't notice any lags or data wipe after the update. Also, the main thing is there are no green light issues at all. So now this Samsung S20 FE is updated to June security patch.